It's super gloomy outside. There's no real sunrise. It's 7:36 and that's what it looks like, so we're kind of just waiting it out, having some breakfast inside.
The joy of travel photography.
Joy of travel photography. Let's see if it gets any better. So I'm just doing a recce and it really is looking quite miserable out here. So it's pretty empty out here this morning. It's just us in the wilderness. No other photographers. So even though the weather is pretty dodgy, you really do have to admire this view. Like, the water color is unlike anything I've seen. Lake Louise was good, but this is amazing. That snow! Wow. Literally nothing landing on my tongue. So the problem with us is that we have one bag which we need to carry with us all year round. So we always try to chase summer, but we can't always do that, and it must be close to -1, -2 degrees Celsius now.
I'm feeling very underdressed right
And we are
now.
underdressed. But we're happy. But we're happy. We only thought we would see snow like this in February next year. Oh, cool. Wow. So we decided to take a little drive up. What's it called?
Icefields Parkway.
And we got hit by a massive snowstorm. It was insane. As we turned around this one corner, we saw a mother bear and her baby cub cross the roads in the snowstorm.
We caught a little bit of dodgy footage, which you can see now. But I mean, not the best work. I was panicking, but
It came out of nowhere.
We came out of nowhere.
Anyways, have a look at these views. It's a winter wonderland now. Chanel was just saying,
I love a few sounds in the world, and the sound of cracking snow under my shoes is one of them.
this is called the snow forest. I'm not even joking, that's the official name of this forest. They said, just take a deep breath. That's what they said, it's what the sign said you must do. I'm doing it. Smells fresh out here.
Smells fresh out here.
Wow. This is kind of what I would imagine Finland in the middle of winter to look like. Obviously about 30 degrees colder, but wow.
Speaking of which, Finland, we're coming for you next year.
We're coming at you. We're coming at. I guess I predicted snow.
For each 100 meters increase in elevation, the temperature drops by ½ degree.
Wow. And if you look at that, it looks like the profile of a wolf. You see it? You see it? Just preparing a board shot. Chanel, this is officially your favorite lake.
Favorite lake. I mean, a lake that looks like a wolf. No, I'm done. I'm sold.
This really does have to be one of the most beautiful things we've ever seen. Back inside where it's warm and Chanel's eating snow.
So good.
It's good.
I love eating ice, so this is just an upgrade.
Is it vegan?
Definitely vegan. Fresh from the sky.
You look like a yeti eating snow over here. Next stop?
New Zealand!
New Zealand, baby!